spinach wrapped steak and cheese from scratch. Oh my goodness. You know exactly what you're getting with this spinach wrap, and the steak and cheese is absolutely delicious. You'll love it. Let's dig in. Start by whisking 2 eggs together and season with salt and pepper. Add in 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. This is the second egg added into the previous egg mixture. Add 3 to 4 handfuls of spinach into the blender. This will make 2 full-size spinach wraps. Add in your egg mixture. You'll want to rest this on parchment paper so it firms up just a bit. Add 1 tablespoon of butter for your steak. As you can see, I use the same pan we did our spinach wrap in. Add in your onions, your peppers, and cook until brown or tender. Next, we're going to add in our steak. This can be as much or as little as you'd like. Place your cheese onto your spinach wrap and add in your steak and onions. This can be a quick lunch or an easy dinner. Follow Just Me and Keto for more meal prepping ideas. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you.